Interested in a 2008 Ford Territory? If you're looking for a vehicle with great attributes, look no further. With a reliable engine, plus enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, ventilated disc brakes, stability control, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. The anti-lock braking system will help to keep you safe on the road. Rest assured, safety elements are included to provide you with a secure ride. Contact us to get behind the wheel today.